everyone, my name is Andrea Ansel, Director of Design at FTD. The holiday season can get busy, so today we're going to show you how to prep our Prancer bouquet so you can design fast and easy arrangements to save time when you need it most. When there's so many sizes, it's hard to get your production line going. One simple piece of advice would be to prepare your containers early so you can add the finishing touches for different sizes and send them out for delivery with ease. Start with placing your well-hydrated floral foam into your containers. The reindeer takes 1/3 of a brick of foam. Trim it down so it's a little bit like a pie slice. When you're ready, add your holiday greens. These will last the longest, so we can get these out of the way early. Here are 3 all greened up and ready for their flowers. Then we'll go ahead and add in the carnations and mini carnations. If you add 3 stems of each, it will be the base for all 3 sizes. Now they are ready to be placed in the cooler so you can grab one easily and place additional flowers when the orders start rolling in. This is what you need to know when the orders come in and you want to add the finishing touches to get them out the door. For the standard size, that means adding 1 stem of Hypericum berries. For the deluxe, we'll add 2 stems of Hypericum and 2 gorgeous red roses. With the premium size, we'll add an additional carnation, 1 mini carnation, 3 stems of Hypericum berries, and 5 red roses. Keep in mind that the stem count for holiday greens is the same for all 3 sizes. As SRPs go up, it's all about the flowers we add that really brings the value to these bouquets. This tip can be applied to a variety of our seasonal designs. We hope this relieves some of the stress for your business during the holidays and wish you nothing but the best as you start building these beautiful arrangements.